Hello, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today I'm gonna show you how to grind the wheels if you do have damages from the curbs, how to make them smooth. All you need, orbital sander and some gears. I'll start with the 80, then go up to 120, 240, 600 and 1000. So that's pretty finished now with the course gear. I'm gonna use the 1000. That's the final result of grinding the wheel before polishing it. So I did wipe the whole rim with this polishing compound, and I put some of the liquid one. You can see this one is pretty good and shining. However, the driver's side is a bit yellowish. So I put some 3M tape in here in that bag, and I'll show you now what tools we should get to do the job. So I've got many sandpapers, different ones, 400, 600, 800, 1200 grit, soap and water to clean, the drill, the kit for the drill, the foam, headlight polish, another type of polish, and body polish if we need that. I'll start with a 400 grit. And that's the 1200 now. I've got the 1500 one, and then that's the 2000. So you need to get a microfiber towel to clean the headlight. Now we will polish it. That's the polish. That's the foam I'll use. Round 2. Final result after 5 rounds. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in my next one.